Happy Saturday afternoon. Part 2 of the real waterfall. Got it all fairly painted. Here's my outlet pipe. There's the centre of the bridge for some support. And I've painted the bottoms green because it'll be underwater. All siliconed in. And up the sides where I've plastic carded. I've had to redo the sides in the brick. I just have the ends to finish off when everything's all solid and dry. And on the left, the plastic card. There's a splashback. Plastic card to the right as a splashback. Plastic card at the back. All siliconed in. And there's the inlet pipe. So that will fill up with water and come over there. What I've got to do now is seal it all off. Plenty of woodland scenics. And there it is. Latex rubber. So hopefully when it's all siliconed in, all sealed. In there they've sealed twice because I've done the plastic card and sealed it, and when I've put that on I've sealed it again. So I am quite confident it's not going to leak. And then once I've coated it all in 2 or 3 coats of the latex rubber, hopefully it'll have a full bond and a full seal. And underneath the outlet pipe will be a big tub sealed with a lid. And then hopefully the pump, I'm just hoping that the pump's going to have enough to get it into there. And if it gets into there, we'll be fine. And that's not quite as high as the top, so it should fill up fairly well and then go in there. If it empties too quick, I've got a little adapter that I can put in and cut shorter and spray it up again, so it won't empty so quick. But till I test it, I won't know. So if you want to catch the next video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss it. And hopefully the next video will be of it all running. Fingers crossed. Touch wood. All that. All the luck in the world. I need it. And happy training.